bird was on the bamboo and heard a sound in a couple of the bamboo trees. So the bird tried to break through the bamboo trees. After some time, the bamboo trees broke and man and woman came out.
The man was called Malakas, and the woman, Maganda. They then started a family and produced children who filled the archipelago. Here now is the legend of si Malakas at si Maganda. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Mabuti. Saan kukuhanin yung picture niya?
Pa?
Ako kukuhanin yung mga picture niya.